Hi, welcome everyone. This is Lifespan Psychology. My name is David Wood. I'll be teaching the class this year. I'm super excited about teaching psychology. I've taught it before for quite a few years, and it's one of my favorite subjects. It's just a lot of fun. Students learn a ton. I learn a ton, and it's just great to explore this field. So let's dive in a little bit and get going here. So a little bit about me. I'm from Louisiana originally. Go Saints! I'm wearing my Saints shirt today, and there's maybe some Saints paraphernalia around the room. Maybe or maybe not. Who knows? You have to come explore that to see. But I grew up in the middle of this town, in a town called Alexandria. I went to school up north in a city called Ruston, and I lived down south in Lafayette. So I've kind of experienced all over the state. It's been just a great place to grow up, and I really valued the time that I had there. I was there for 25 years, and maybe a little bit longer. And I moved up here around 2009. I worked in Canada for a bit, off and on, and that's where I met my wife, and she's from here. So we've been married for about 8 years, and we have two wonderful little girls. Go back one. So this is Debbie. She is 6 and just started first grade. She's very excited about it. This is Ellie. She's now 3, and they're just spitfires. They have great personalities, and they're just a lot of fun. And I really enjoy being a dad and getting to spend time with them. So that's been fun for me to do that as well. And so just having fun with that process. And one day when I am attending these open houses, it'll be a different experience to be on the other end of it as well. So just some things about general classroom philosophies. I like this poem by Rita Pearson. It just talks about how students are people who have purpose, who have drive, who have dreams, and who are value. And I value kid students, and I love working with them. I love hearing their thoughts. And one of the big goals I have here is to treat your students with just the dignity and respect they deserve because they are people, and people deserve that. And so I want my classroom to be a place where kids feel welcome, where kids feel valued, where they feel safe enough to share their opinion. And so that's what I try to strive in the classroom is making that feasible, making that possible. And so that's what I'm striving to do with your kids. I know your kids have dreams. I know your kids have goals. I know they have things they want to get done in their life, and I'm excited to see how I can support them any way I can in that process. And so really looking forward to working with your students. They've got some great personalities already. We've had some great discussions already. And so I'm really excited about this class and excited about working with your kids as well. So some things to know about class. Late policy for late work. I accept late work up to 10 days before the end of the semester for up to full credit. And the reason I do that is because I want to see what they're learning, and I can't do that if they don't turn in their work. And so um, I do have a sheet they fill out that tells me like this assignment is late, how late, why is it late, do I need support? And the idea is to track if students are turning work in late consistently to see if there's supports we can put in place to make that less likely to happen in the future and keep them on track. And so it's just a great way for kids to still show their learning, get credit for what they're learning, and also hold them accountable for the responsibility of like making sure we're staying focused and turning things in on time as well. Um, Same thing with tests and projects. We're going to do a lot of projects in this class, which I think is a lot of fun. And allowing students to redo projects if they're not happy with their grade or if they don't feel like the grade reflects their learning, or if their learning changes, that they learn something new, want to show that. Then if their learning changes, their grade should change to reflect that. And so I love the process of kids and students just diving in and relearning some things they need to relearn or just changing their learning in the process. And so it's a fun idea to do, or a fun time for me to see like how students learning changes over time and how they can see how their learning changes over time as well, and how their grades reflect that. So um, that's something we'll do in this class as well. So projects can be redone, late work will be taken, and it's just a lot of fun as well. So assignments will be posted on Schoology. That's the best place to find. They'll be done by unit. We're in the personality unit right now, which is a lot of fun, and really get to kind of see where kids are taking personality tests so they can see what these tests say about them, if they're accurate or not according to what they believe. So that's a lot of fun as well. So if you're looking for course content, go to Schoology. If you're looking for grades, grades will be updated in Synergy as well. So that's 2 places to look. Schoology for content, Synergy for grades. One of the things we do with psychology is that, as it is unethical for people who are not licensed psychologists to practice on humans, we use movies as an example, a way to do that. And so a lot of the movies we use in class are for the purpose of using what we learned in class and applying it to real world situations. Since we can't do that, movies are going to substitute for that as well. And I'll have a list of movies up on Schoology that we will watch this semester, so that if you decide that you don't want your student to watch those movies, that we have an alternate way for them to participate in the same activity without having to watch the film as well. So the best way to reach me is at email dwood2@nsd.org. And so I'm more than happy to meet and do a Zoom or a phone call or email exchange with you. Like I said, I consider us a team to help your student to help them achieve their best and be the best they can be. And so I'm looking forward to working with you this year. I'm looking forward to working with your students. I'm just really excited about teaching this class again as well. So please email me if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to a great year, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.